Hi, I'm Zoe and welcome to my presentation on Scorpius. This first slide here is how to find Scorpius. Scorpius is on the south horizon. If you look a little bit west and find Antares, which is the heart of Scorpius right here. About mid-July around 10 p.m. The second slide is about the brightest stars. The brightest star is Antares, the heart of the star. Antares is also known as Alpha Scorpii or Core Scorpii. It is class M and a red supergiant known as LC Slow Irregular Variable Star. The other important stars are Shala and Lizath. Shala is known as Lambda Scorpii, which is a triple star system, and a Beta Cephei. And Lizath, right here, is an Upsilon Scorpii, a subgiant star belonging to the B2-4 class. The deep space objects in Scorpius. The deep space object M6 is known as the Butterfly Cluster, and M7 is known as Ptolemy's Cluster. They are known to be Northern Summer's finest clusters. While these two appear rather close together, M6 is about 1,600 light years away, and M7 is about half that distance, and can be easily spotted at the tail of Scorpius' tail. Messier 4 over here is a bright globular cluster and is approximately 7,200 light years away from Earth. It was discovered in 1746, but was not documented until 1764. The Scorpius mythology. It is believed that Scorpius was made to kill Orion because Orion had intentions of killing all of Earth's creatures, and the goddess of Earth did not like that. So she created the scorpion to attack Orion and kill him before he could destroy the Earth. And that's why the scorpion appears to be chasing after Orion in our night sky. And this is my works cited page. Oops. Thank you for watching my video. Okay.